Wireless tool control from Ubisense creates digital tethers to ensure wireless assembly devices only operate in the correct areas. Wireless tools are fitted with tags that are located by a fixed sensor on the assembly line, using highly accurate ultra-wideband technology. A tool zone is defined in the sensor, within which the tool is automatically activated for use. The worker can then complete the necessary assembly operation within that zone. The tool is deactivated outside the tool zone to prevent unauthorized use. A single sensor can track multiple tools within multiple zones in each workstation. Additional sensors can be easily added to enable more digital tethers in other workstations across the assembly line. Any tool can be tagged and easily substituted if needed, so operations are not disrupted. Wireless tool control from Ubisense, adding flexibility and control.